Hello, you are watching Torque King TV. I'm Matt, your product highlight video host. Today I'm showcasing the QU40452 new old stock outer axle shaft for Dana 70 front axles. This outer axle shaft is a 1 3/8 21 spline front outer axle shaft for 1969 to 74 Dodge and 1968 to 75 International 4x4 1-ton trucks with Dana 70 closed knuckle front axles. These premium, high-quality outer axle shafts are made right here in the USA. Most of the outer axle shafts we sell are for the Dana 70 axles. The old Dana 70s are good and stout axles, but they are marginal for use in 1,000 horsepower competition rigs, as are any axles for less than a 10-ton truck. The axle shafts do not have a snap ring groove cut in the splines. The axle shaft thrust is controlled by the bushings pressed in the spindles and axle tubes. For more tech notes and applications, as well as where to purchase for your own rig, visit our website at TorqueKing.com. Hey friends, we sure appreciate you watching these videos. Check us out on the web by clicking the links down below in the description and do the right thing. Give us a like, subscribe, and comment on what you saw, or even let us know if there's a product you want to see. Then hit the notification bell so you don't miss it when it comes up. We are working hard to give you good information here at Torque King. Thanks for watching, and until next time, good luck keeping your rig on the road.